Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Martin's Floral and Home Decor in Springfield, Missouri, and thank you for joining our YouTube channel. Well, of course, it is the time of the year where we start setting areas, and hopefully store owners will give you some ideas. And of course, our customers, we want you to see more of the new product, which we'll be bringing to you on a regular basis. So one area that's been very popular the last few seasons is the cream and the soft greens. And this is a hard thing to display, especially if you have white shelving like we do. Um, you need to always pop it in definitely with a color background. So we pulled these tables that we use over in our everyday tree area. So you have something kind of soft. Now for now we have the pillows. Joe's put the pillows here and we have a beautiful pillow counter, which we'll show you soon. But we're going to actually put arrangements. The designers are getting their components together and they're going to start making arrangements. So we're going to have arrangements tucked in with your piecework because a lot of times people will grab an arrangement and then of course they'll see ideas of things that will fit in nicely with it. Now to kind of pop the cream, since there is so much cream, and I love the beaded finials and I love the deer, so we pulled in some of the green trees just to give it some color. And that's the same thing we did. We framed it. This is a great time to pull out if you have any, fuse this and that of your pine. All of the pines are beautiful. If you want to take the cream into an icy decoration, this is beautiful. And the new color of pine that's been kind of coming out the last year or two, it definitely looks like a blue spruce. It's got the light blue kick to it, a gray tip as much as anything. But it looks beautiful if you're wanting to stay into the cream zone, which I'll show you something else about this. Now, along with this line, a lot of you are into just the simple magnolia look, which we've talked about this gorgeous garland. But look how beautiful it incorporates with all of this. And we've got magnolia blooms, we've got the heads, we've even got a stunning ornament that looks really pretty with this. Now, pop around, and you can see, if you kind of look, and pardon the fact that we're still setting the store, we've got color behind it. So it still pops the cream and the green, having some extra color behind them. These are actually an everyday berry, but this I think will be gorgeous tucked into your Christmas trees or to your little, garlands and different piecework. So I'm actually pulling some of our everyday store owners into your Christmas because that will pop in seasonally. Then you can pull it out and put it into your spring, summer. So keep that in mind. Come on this way. Maddie's good at traveling. Now, the backside we're just getting started on. There are a lot of beautiful natural pieces that you can mix in with all of your pines. It's very soft. Greg is actually working on a Santa piece for this display. I love the little short pieces. These are going to be great for tablescapes, which we'll be showing you as we work along. And then, of course, now these are cute. Look at this little guy. I love him and I love the deer. And these are literally, look, you can just pop some pine in. Then he's kind of hairy now. So, but anyway, just a little bit of pine popped in of any shade just to give it, or candy or snacks. It's me, remember? But these are all very neat worked in with the Woodland series. So make sure to stay with us. Come back, like and subscribe if you want. We appreciate you spending time with us. Hope you've seen some pretty things today. We'll see you soon.